Hello YouTubers. I don't know why, but this camera just went out on me halfway through. This thing, it's asking to be replaced. Anyhow, I just got this here. I just showed on a video that I thought I was videoing because I was watching what I was pointing at, not what I was doing. They got it here. I tried to do a little patch there. They got it there, they got it there, they got it there, they got it there, and they got it there. That daggone forest rat must have really been contorting to get through there. I did wash it off with the parts, or not parts cleaner, what is that? Pressure washer, and it looks a heck of a lot better. I had it on the edge. When I was doing this little section here, I realized that I need more light. So I'm going to put you on the stand and see if we're going to blow up. I didn't blow up on the first thing. It might launch like a rocket, or it might not do nothing. Damn camera. Let's see what it's doing here. I washed out the inside pretty good. I can't believe this camera's doing this to me. But it's doing it to me. Anyhow, I got some welding rod from here. It's black and that's black, so it's got to be the same, right? Now I'm going to put these on so if it does blow up on me, might not be too bad. I found a flat thing, but it takes a long time for it to get hot. So we're going to see what I can do here. I got to put more light on it. Of course, that light ain't going either. I'm going to try to get the real bad one. I can smell plastic burning, so it must be doing something right. Let's just get down in there and melt a little piece off. Yeah, that makes a good welding rod, I think. I got no idea what I'm doing here, guys. But I didn't blow up yet, so I'm not doing too bad. Just keep pushing that welding rod in there. I don't know if you guys can really see that or not. You know, this thing just doesn't have enough light for me. As much light as that is, I need to go to a hospital and get one of those hospital surgical lights. Melting in there. I was thinking about getting a piece of screen, and I still might do that. Get a piece of screen and some silicone and put some silicone over that, and then put a piece of screen over that. Maybe I won't be doing this again. If this doesn't work, I figure I didn't have anything to lose. Getting nice and soft. Of course, now I can't see because the sunlight there is in my eyes. Like I said, this is the one where it was leaking at. I just put it all in there. Maybe it doesn't want to do that. Might not. Oh yeah, we can put it in there. I got a pretty good pile of junk moving around here, but I'm sure you got to feather it out without putting your fingers on that, because that would probably be hurtful. Well, like I said, that's the bad one. So I'm just trying to get it to melt down in nice and good. I wish I had a soldering iron, not a soldering gun. I had one, but it didn't have a tip like this on there. Whoops, I got a big piece out of there. I did a gouge. Yeah, but see, it peeled off there. If you didn't get the plastic underneath hot, which is, I guess what I'm trying to do now is blend it. I can't see a thing up there with that light on, but I need that light. Oh, there's a hole right there. Gotta get some more welding rod, guys. I don't know if it wasn't a hole all the way through. It was just a place I didn't like. Oh, now I can see good. I don't know whether you guys can, but I don't know what that hole, that's a, I think I'm just pushing the hot stuff on through is what I think I'm doing. You know, I might leave that one at that. All right. Have no idea whether that's the right plastic for this thing or not. Try to get you in on it. It doesn't look too good. I don't care what it looks like if it holds. I'm gonna keep going. This one here is not too deep. This one here is real deep. So that's the next victim. It's still warm, but it feels pretty good. Daggone. Ouch. Yeah, it's nice and warm. Well, let me, are you still flashing? Yeah, damn battery's flashing. Darn battery's flashing at me again. Seems like I've been there once before. I did a couple movies up at the, I can't think where I'm thinking of, getting that conveyor. And so I didn't do that much. Scrape some of this excess crud off of here. Alright, we're back to melting again. Boy, it sure works a lot better having that light on there. Get my welding rod out here. First I'm going to start just... That's not a very... It's on a double bend here. Stupid squirrel. Let's just see if we can't push some of that in there. And like I said, this hole here doesn't go all the way through, so if I just get it so it's not as bad. Of course it might flex, and the price of gas nowadays, you don't want to flex too much. You know, that didn't do too bad, but I don't know if it's stuck. And I really can't, you really can't see it. I bet that light's in your way. Yeah. Maybe if I put the other light on there. Nah, that's probably, it won't turn down that far. Mode. I can't see whether you can see that. If I see my finger, yeah, you can see that. So we'll start here and just push some welding rod in and kind of work it around. Might be something like regular welding. You got to practice. Try. And here's another one. I need a smaller welding rod for this one. Probably air this thing up and it'll just leak like a screen door in a submarine. I don't know whether I should sand that or just kind of melt these off. I guess I ought to just melt it off. That's good enough. Let me get this, you got it there, that's not too deep. The one on the side here is pretty deep. This one right here, can you see that? That's quite the chewing. Oh, there's one down there too. That's not too bad. This one here looks like it could do me in though. I think I'll first just start heating it. Never done this before. Got no idea what I'm doing. except for knocking things over. Looks like I'm smoking up the backyard. I might need some more welding plastic. I'm sure there's some kind of glues out there that you can get, but I don't know. I don't know whether it'll work. I think if this doesn't work, I would buy another gas tank. I don't know how much they are. Probably more than I want to spend because I'm cheap. So I figured I'd give this a shot first. That one doesn't look too good, does it? Looks better than it did, I think. Maybe not. That shit melts. That stuff melts pretty quick. That might be. It's hot. Ouch. Yeah, it's hot. Wonder if that first one's cooled down yet. Wonder if you guys are still on the camera. Battery's been flashing at me ever since I turned this camera on. That's warm still. Let's see what these are. That's still got a little bit of a hole there. That's the one that got me. That wasn't too bad. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Let's see if I can air it up a little bit. Oh wait, what's this one here? That's not too deep if the plastic is as thick as the other plastic. That one there. Kind of recheck my flame control here. Now that it's gotten hot, it might flame out here. Guess not. I feel pretty confident on that. Except for I didn't bring the lid. The lid is back down at the tractor spot, so I'm gonna go get the lid. The Kubota in here, so I gotta go get the Kubota, get the lid, get some soapy water and all that kind of stuff. And I don't know whether you want to come back and play with this nonsense or not. But I'm gonna try to air it up a little bit, and if it can take I don't know, I think if it could take 600-700 pounds of air pressure, then I think I'll be all right. What do you guys think? 700-800, maybe 1,000? Maybe I should go for 1,000. Have to hook it up to an oxygen tank to get that. CO2 tank. Anyhow, how do you like my welding rods? Same plastic, I guess. I don't know. If not, I can dig it out or put something else over it. I might still that looks a little, don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna call quits on this one. Like I said, I gotta go down and get the tank for it, and then I'm gonna air it up and put some soap on there and see if I'm Lawrence Welk or not. Anyhow, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to come back and see the next goofball thing I'm gonna do. See you later. Bye bye.